Have you ever felt trapped by regret? Or maybe you've chased after something impossible only to end up disappointed. Today, I want to share a short, powerful story that might just change how you see things. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a very skilled and experienced hunter. One morning, he set out and managed to catch a beautiful little sparrow with vibrant, colorful feathers. As he held the tiny bird in his hand, it trembled and spoke in a weak voice. "Sir, if you let me go, I will tell you 3 very important things. They will help you live a wiser and happier life." The hunter was astonished that the bird could speak, but he held it tight and laughed. "I've already caught you. Why should I let you go? I'll either lock you in a cage and sell you to a rich person or keep you as my own pet." The little bird sighed and continued, "All right, if you won't release me, at least remember these 3 things. First, never regret what is already past. Second, never believe in things that are impossible. And third, never try to do things that are beyond your reach." The hunter just scoffed. Everyone knows these things. There's nothing special about them. Thinking the bird was too small to be of any value, he opened his hand and let it go. The sparrow immediately flew up to a high branch, looked down at the hunter, and said, "You are a foolish man. If you hadn't let me go, you could have become the richest person in the world. Inside my stomach, there is a giant pearl as big as a chicken's egg and worth more than gold.